Good morning everyone. Once again, Murali Krishna Senapati for you to teach about hashing on hash functions. So now, in the past class we have discussed about hashing two different hash functions, that is division method and mid square method. Now we need to discuss about folding method. So let us quickly go through that. So say this is, we have the folding method. In the folding method, what is the approach is like, when a key value is given, you can see here each key value k is partitioned into number of parts. Means what? When key value k is given, that has to be divided into number of parts, okay, number of digits. Then all the parts we have to add, okay, we have to add to find a address. Okay, so when k is divided into k1, k2, k3 like that kr, and if you add that k1 to kr, whatever the address it will generate, that will be the hash address. So how it will be generating, let us discuss. So here h of k equal to, we should follow k1 plus k2 like that up to kr. Okay, and there we need to identify the sum by ignoring the carries. Okay, by ignoring the carry we need to find the sum. So sum may be something, say has address, let us say add, I am writing address, so whatever it is. So now here during that time, how many, what is the size of this particular partition, whether it is single digit or two digit, okay, that we can decide based on the number of data for storage. Say for example here 68 employees, during that time I will consider it is 2 digit size of the k1 k2 like that part. So when suppose there are only 5-6 employees, then I will consider this is of single digit. When I will consider say more than 100 employees, then I will consider this size is 3 digits like that. Partition size will be depending on the requirement of the number of data for storing, number of keys. Here we can read, here each part except possibly the last have same number of digits. So means suppose here when you divide this into number of partitions, say first one is 2 digits, second one is 2 digits, third one is 2 digits, like that when you will go, last one kr may not be 2 digits. When you partition, it may not be 2 digits, that is said. It will be, it may be 2 digits, may not be, that is optional. So now here the number of digits considered as per the requirement of hash address. How many digits? Here when there are 68 employees, okay, when total number of employees are 68, the hash address can be of 2 digits. Okay, because number of employees are 68, 2 digit employees. Okay, so accordingly now consider k parts of 2 digits, that's why. Okay, hash address 2 digits required, so that is why we consider k part of 2 digits. Now add those parts and find the sum by ignoring the carry. Okay, add the parts, find sum and ignore carry. So let us go through this example quickly. So when you discuss this, say for this, again let me show the table. So for this particular employee table of 68 employee, we are going to generate the address. So h of, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, h of 1, 2, 3, 4 if you will find, it is divided into two parts of 2 digits each. So 12 plus 34, it is generating the address 46. If at all it is 3 digit number, the carry will be ignored. Similarly 1437 is generating 14 plus 37, generating the address 51. So it is k1 k2 added and we have generated the hash address. Similarly 34, you can see 34 38 is generated, 34 plus 38, address is 72. 46 78, 46 plus 78, it generated 124, where carry we will ignore, so address is 24. 59 49 41, so 59 plus 41, it is generated 100 100, means ignore the carry 1, so address is 00. So this is the addresses are generated for that particular employee keys. So now let us see the hash table for this accordingly. Okay, so in the hash table, if you observe for this, okay, in the hash table, So 1234 is generated 46. So you can observe in the address 46, 1234 is stored. Okay. Similarly, 1437 is generated 51. So 1437 generated 51, in 51 address 1437 is stored. 3438 is generated 72. So 72 is containing 3438. Then 4678 generated 24, in the address 24, 4678 is stored. 5941 is generated 00. So in the address 00, 5941 is stored. So how many addresses it is its capacity? As because 2 digits maximum starting from 00 to 99. So this is the hash table capacity. So this is the approach for implementing the folding method. Once again, if I will revise this, okay, so what exactly we are doing here? Okay, we are finding, first of all, we are identifying how many data to store. If there are 68 employees, then I need 2-digit addresses. So 2-digit addresses means each K are capacity of 2-digit size. Okay, so when 2-digit size, if you are adding, whatever the sum we are finding, by ignoring the carry, that sum is considered as a address. Okay, so here 68 employees I have not taken as total example. Out of 68 employees, some few employees, how it is finding that address we have written. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, again we have divided accordingly 2 digit, we have added them, we found the address. So when there is carry is there, that we have ignored, and accordingly we have stored the data. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you very much.